So here's a little video on another quick fix for your car. On the Caymans, you notice here it's pretty common for the washer hose to split. I've patched mine up with some heat shrink just till I could get the part from Porsche. But basically you spray your washers and it just pisses all over the windscreen as if it's coming out of hose. So to fix this we just need to replace the hose from the tank. First thing to do is just to pull this trim up. Push those two bits of your hands here, and then this pulls away to the front. Next, to get this hose, just pull this away. You don't need to remove the whole thing completely. You can fold it back over itself, and that gives you enough space to work with. To get your washer jets out, they're clipped in from the back, so put your hand up behind them and pull it down, and then it will release. The clip on these is the same as the clip on the tank. It's probably easier to show you how to get it off on here. It is really simple. You just push each side back and they release, and then you can get the washer jet out like so. Once you've disconnected the two washer jet clips, you can just pull this grommet out here, and then this whole piece will pull through. And then if you reach in here, it is a little bit fiddly, and undo the clip. Next there's this piece which holds the hose in place, and to get that off you just pull it from this side and then it will release. So it installs just the reverse. We're just going to feed the hoses through the bonnet hood and then down through the catch at the side. I'm going to reconnect the hose down here, which is the hardest part of the job. So the easiest way to do it, I think, is push it down from here. Just make sure it's well seated. And then give the hose a click. And when you can't pull it out, you know that's you. Only thing left to do is put this plastic trim on. Go. There. Good. And then all you have to do is put the front piece back on. So really simple. There are some clips here. Just make sure you're going over the clips with the front piece. This should all slide in nice and easy. And then there are spring clips here where that slot is, so don't just push down on it because you'll bend your spring clips and then it won't go back on properly. It'll just take a couple of seconds to make sure that your clip is going to go in the hole. Push it down and you should get a nice satisfying click. Put your trim back. job done. Porsche will apparently fix this under warranty, but given the part costs about £18, it's barely worth the hassle of dropping the car off and getting them to fix it.